Okay, this is going to be a video for how to sign your contract for anyone who has been pulled in either by an RA, maybe somebody was put in a room for ADA, maybe somebody was put there pulled in by an ADA person. In any event, it is I already have a room and need to select a meal plan and sign a contract. So we start on the My UMass D page, we go to housing, it eventually loads. We go to Student Housing Information Portal, click that. There might be an extra screen in there. I've just been logged in so long that it didn't need it. That's fine. Go to Application, select 2018-2019, then click Oh, see, I already have a room here. This is tough. I'm doing the narration after I've done the video, so it's challenging to remember what I did. So this first screen here is information pulled from Coin. So it's emergency contact information from Coin. It is important, but you can't edit it through StarRes. It's just kind of a double check for you. So scroll down, make sure everything's right. If it needs to be fixed, just fix it later in Coin. I trust you. Then we go to the emergency contact information that is stored in StarRes. Now this is what housing will look at if there's an emergency, medical or behavioral or otherwise, or if you go missing. So make sure this is filled out to the best of your abilities. As you can see, our user Cool Brad Extra Cool has listed his boss as an emergency contact, which is sad. Save and continue. All right, I didn't know how to get rid of this screen. You don't really need to do anything with it because you're already in a room. If you want to be included in a roommate search so that somebody can find you down the road, go ahead and click that box. But you don't need to. Again, you're already in a room. But again, if you want to be searched, you type in your screen name and then down here, give a little description. My keyboard malfunctioned a little bit and the R, whatever. Type that out. Again, you don't need to do this because you're already in a room. So I just don't know how to hide that page. So yeah, just do that, save and continue. And eventually it continues. All right, this is where you select your meal plan. Because my fake room that I booked for myself is in the Woodlands, I have a choice of any of the meal plans. I would just ask that if you choose not to have a meal plan, just select no meal plan, which is one of the choices there. I think my guy goes with Platinum here. Cool Bread Extra Cool loves to eat in the marketplace, so he's going to select that. Here are the terms and conditions of the contract. You should read them. I edited them, so I don't really need to read them in this experiment. Example. Why did I say experiment? Anyway, enter your 8-digit ID number, click Save and Continue. Almost done. This is a confirmation screen. Now, I know it says August 12th. That's just the earliest that anyone's going to move in. So don't worry about August 12th. That's not really when you move in. That's not when you start paying for your room. Don't worry about August 12th. Go down here, click on Final Click. That's great. Again, August 12th, not real. You'll probably move in on Tuesday, September 4th. Whatever the first Tuesday is. I honestly don't know if it's September 4th. But that's about it. You can scroll down. Oh man, I've remembered scrolling down. All your confirmation, all your information is there. And then it shows you what room. If you have roommates, they would be listed there as well. That's about it. You've signed your contract. Now, go study or something quiet.